Tip number 1. Prioritize protein. Protein is the king of nutrients when it comes to weight loss. When you consume a high-protein diet, it boosts metabolism, reduces appetite, and changes several weight-regulating hormones. So, next time you're planning your meals, think lean meats, eggs, and legumes. Moving to tip number 2. Drink water before meals. It might sound too easy to be effective, but research suggests that drinking water before meals can enhance weight loss. Water acts as a natural appetite suppressant, helping you consume fewer calories without even trying. Tip number 3. Cut back on added sugar. We all know sugar isn't the best for our health, but did you know it's also one of the biggest weight loss enemies? Cutting back on added sugars can make a significant difference in your weight loss journey. So, bid adieu to those sugary drinks and snacks. The 4th tip is to get active. You don't have to spend hours in the gym to reap the benefits of physical activity. Even simple activities like walking, cycling, or doing household chores can help burn calories and improve your overall health. Tip number 5. Sleep well and avoid stress. Never underestimate the power of a good night's sleep and a stress-free life. Lack of sleep and high stress levels can mess with your appetite hormones and lead to weight gain. Our 6th tip is eat more fruits and vegetables. They are high in fiber, low in calories, and incredibly filling. Incorporating more fruits and vegetables into your diet can help you feel fuller for longer and reduce calorie intake. Last but not least, tip number 7. Practice mindful eating. Paying attention to what and when you eat can help you eat less and enjoy your meals more. So say goodbye to distractions, slow down, and savor each bite. To summarize, if you want to make weight loss less of a struggle, consider prioritizing protein in your meals, drinking water before meals, reducing your intake of added sugars, getting more active, ensuring you get enough sleep, eating more fruits and vegetables, and practicing mindful eating. Each of these tips can contribute to making your weight loss journey more manageable and enjoyable. Remember, change doesn't happen overnight, but with these tips in your arsenal, you're well on your way to achieving your weight loss goals. So until next time, keep these tips in mind and stay healthy.